Hi lovely YouTube family, and welcome to another informative video. And in today's video I simply want to show you guys how to convert a PDF file to a Word document file. All you have to do is to head to the site named ilovepdf.com. Now once you come here to ilovepdf.com, you simply want to head here to convert PDF. Now once you come here to convert PDF, you simply want to come here to PDF to Word. Now once you select it, you want to select the PDF file you want to convert. So I'm going to come here to my download and select a random PDF file for you guys to see. So I'm going to use this PDF file. And now all you have to do finally is to simply head here to convert to Word. And now once you click on convert to Word, you have it converted to Word and also downloaded. And there you have it guys. That's simply how to convert a PDF file to a Word file. Thanks for watching, and if you surely learned a whole lot in today's video, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video.